Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, Manusyanam sahasresu kaschit jatati siddhaye jatatam api siddhyanam kaschit vetimam tattva. And here it is said, the manusya strishang shastradhikar yajnanam sahasmat. Now what I am, what is God, what is this material world, how it is working, these things are business of an educated man. A foolish man cannot think. Therefore, Shastradhikara. Shastra means one has got some knowledge in the Shastras, in the books of knowledge. As soon as we find out the one who has got books of knowledge, knowledge in books of Shastra, the quantity will be at once reduced. In this quarter, if you find out how many non-educated people are there, or you'll find many. And as soon as you want to find out how many MAs are there, at once the number will be reduced. Similarly, there are many men, but if you want to search out some man who is trying to make perfection of his life, at once the number will be reduced. And out of them, just like so many transcendentalists, samis, yogis there are, if you count amongst them who wants to understand God, who has got the knowledge of God, at once the number will be reduced. Again. Therefore Krishna says that out of many, many thousands of people, somebody is interested for making perfection of his life, and out of many, many thousands of men who are actually trying to make perfection of their life, you will find somebody, or you may not find out, who knows God or Krishna. But Krishna is so kind that he comes himself to be known by everyone. And he is so kind also that before his departure from this material world, he leaves behind him this Bhagavad Gita, so that you can know from his personal talks what is God. So, if you read Bhagavad Gita rightly, as it is spoken by Krishna, not foolishly interpreting nonsensically, but as it is. Call the spade a spade. Krishna says that I am the Supreme Personality of God. Don't interpret this version with your foolish interpretation, but accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and by his acts, by his shastric knowledge, wisdom, everyone accepted previously, all the acharyas. So, we have to follow the footprints of the acharya. Mahajana jena gatassamantha. So we cannot understand higher things unless we follow the footprints of great personalities. Just like even in the scientific world, the law of gravitation. You do not know anything about law of gravitation, but Sir Isaac Newton, he says that there is law of gravitation. He accepts. That's all. That means you follow a great personality. So similarly, Krishna should be accepted, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, not by whims, but he has been accepted like by personalities like Lord Chaitanya, Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, great personalities. who are guiding the destiny of spiritual world. Therefore, you have to accept in that way. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,